Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to enable the unread message icon in Gmail on your PC. With this feature, you'll always be notified of any new unread emails without having to manually check your inbox. Step 1. Open Gmail. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, locate the settings icon. It looks like a gear. Click on it. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings option. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Now, on the top navigation bar, click on Advanced. This will open up the advanced settings for your Gmail account. Step 5. Look for the unread message icon option. It should be just below the desktop notifications section. Click on the toggle switch to enable it. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled the unread message icon in Gmail on your PC. Now, whenever you have new unread emails, you'll see a notification icon on your screen. That's all for this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.